Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to recover or retrieve your deleted messages from your messenger. For that, you have to follow my instructions very carefully. First of all, go to your Facebook application and click on the icon button. From here, scroll down to the bottom, you will find an option Settings and Privacy. Under this section, you will find a button Settings. Click on this button. Now you can see a search bar at the top portion. Search for download your information. So from here you can easily request a download. As my account is a professional account, this interface is appearing, but if you have any personal account, there will be various options of chats, images or any other things. From that you can choose the chats only. So if you just request download, you're done. Facebook will notify you when your files are ready to be downloaded. Then if you click that notification, you will get the file. After that, from that file you can easily find the chats that you have deleted. That's all for today's video. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.